Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to count number of lowercase characters in a string. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line defines a function named count lowercase characters that takes one argument input string. This function will process the string provided to it and count the lowercase characters present in the string. Now in the next line, here a variable named count is initialized to 0. This variable will keep track of the number of lowercase characters found in the string. Now in the next line, here a for loop begins iterating over each character in the input string. Here char is a temporary variable that represents the current character in the string during each iteration. Now in the next line here, the isLower method checks if the char is in lowercase character. If the character is lowercase, the condition evaluates to true. Now in the next line, if the condition in the if statement is true, the count variable is incremented by 1. This keeps a running total of lowercase characters. Now in the next line, after the loop has finished processing all characters in the string, the function returns the total count of the lowercase characters. Now in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a string, and the entered string is stored in the variable user input. Here in the next line, the count lowercase character function is called with user input as its argument. The function returns the count of lowercase character which is stored in the variable lowercase count. Now in the next line here, the print function displays the result to the user. Here the string is formatted using an F string embedding the value of lowercase count directly into the message. So let's check this program. As I'm entering a string, hence this will tell the number of lowercase characters. In this given string, the number of lowercase character is 9. So thanks for watching this video.